Hello traders, this is McBillion. Today is May 10, 2018 and let's talk about the market. Let's start with the spider. The spider, as you can see here, is inside this symmetrical triangle wedge, and you can see here the support and the resistance, which is also part of the Fibonacci 274. So I think that's the number we need to watch. Many people were watching the 50 simple moving average, but you can tell it's not a good indicator to enter long or short, because you can see it has been violated many times. Is not something that you need to watch. I think you need to watch the triangle wedge, the support, and the Fibonacci 274. So that will be the key numbers. Now DMI is still bearish. We have the plus directional at 24 and the minus directional at 27. Now ADX is about 20, meaning if we get a breakout right here about 274 or a breakdown, it's gonna move very nicely. Probably since the triangle wedge is from 286 from 258, we're gonna get a 30 points move either way. If you break out, we're gonna get from 270 to 300. If you break down, we're gonna get from 250 to 230 probably. So those are gonna be the targets and the breakouts or the breakdown. For now, I think it's better to be holding your positions, to be just waiting for the breakout or the breakdown, because I tried to enter on the bounce and you see it was a slow, and it was not good, especially if you trade options. So let's be patient. Let's wait for the breakout or the breakdown. If you see the IWN, which is the iShares Russell, is the same thing. It's inside this symmetrical triangle, and you can see here the resistance is 160, and the support, you see the trend support, multi-year support. In this case, the bulls are dominating in DMI, the meaning is bullish, but ADS is below 20, but it's really low. It's a 13, meaning a major move is coming. So I think if you break out 260 and it confirms the breakout, we can have a nice ride, probably to 280. So this is the key number, 260. And the other key number will be the trend trend support. So now let's talk about another one. Let's talk about Apple. Apple breakout. Let me zoom this out. Breakout this major Fibonacci resistance 280. It break out that level back in March 13, but it failed to continue. So now it break out. It's trending about the 5 simple moving average, and it looks like it's heading to 200. Now Apple is the perfect DMI with the bulls leading the DMI, and the ADX is about 20. It's a strong move, and I think it's gonna get to 200 very easily. The other one that I wanted to talk about is Facebook. It looks like it's trending about the 50 simple moving average, and it's looking to test the 187 Fibonacci. It has been resistant for many months, that 87 Fibonacci, so that's the key number. The volume is very low, but DMI is bullish and is getting strong because ADS is trending. So overall, Facebook is bullish, is trending, but you have to be careful of 187. That's the key number. The other one I wanted to talk about is Netflix. Not much. Is moving sideways here. ADX is very low, so I think it's gonna keep moving sideways, but it's bullish. Don't get me wrong, it's bullish, and I think it's gonna get and test 357 or 360. Netflix is bullish. The other one that I wanted to show you is Tesla. Tesla has been trading for 2 years inside this rectangle until it break down the rectangle back in March, but now it's back and it wants to get inside the rectangle, which it be inside. If it confirms today move about 307 or 310, it will be at the bottom of the rectangle and is probably going to start moving up to the key levels 360 or the top of the rectangle 380. So I think right now Tesla is neutral. You have to wait for a move to a confirmation about the 50 simple moving average or about today's high to see if we can get back inside the rectangle for a target 360, 380. The other one and the last one I want to show you is plug. I'm sure you tried this one before, but it's now at $2, and I wanted to show you this chart right here because it's very interesting. You can see the trend support right here, very short trend support, but the Fibonacci 2 is right there testing. It tested today, but if it confirms tomorrow about 2 and start trending, I don't see much resistance. One, the resistance is 2.45, and then the major Fibonacci resistance 285 or $3. So I think you can make some money on this one using the stock. You don't need to use the auctions because it's a very cheap stock. But I think Block is getting very, very, very strong, and this is a stock that moves very nicely when it break out. So I think it break out right here, but it needs confirmation tomorrow. Okay, traders, there's a nice, very nice promotion on my website, so you can join. You can get my alerts. You can get my videos for training. You can get my mentoring. I will sit down with you and try to help you and any strategies that you're using. So sign up. It's a lifetime membership, only one-time payment. So this is everything for today. Trade on.